In this video, I will teach you how to create Facebook ad accounts. So if you have been looking for how to create a business Facebook ad account, then I will show you the simple step how to create a business portfolio, a business Facebook ad account, set up your ad account, add your payment method, link your Facebook page to it, verify your email address, verify your phone number, and get it ready to launch your first effective Facebook ads. In case you're seeing me for the first time, my name is 𝗟𝗏𝘁𝗀𝗀. On this channel, I create step-by-step, easy to understand, and detailed social media marketing tutorials. If this interests you, then click the subscribe button down below, like this video, and let's dive in. Log into your Facebook account. At the left-hand side, scroll down. You will see Ads Manager somewhere around here. If you did not see it, then scroll down. You will see more button right here. Click on see more. It will open like this. Then you will see the Ads Manager here. Click on Ads Manager. It will take you here. At the top here, you will see a particular ad account with your Facebook profile picture. That is your personal ad account. Now, let me show you how to create a business ad account. Click on this drop down button here and you will see your business portfolio here. If you don't have any business portfolio at all, then click on this create a business portfolio. It will take you to this interface. Give the business portfolio a name, then input your contact name here, then enter your business email. After that, click on this create button down below. It will take you here. What do you want to add to this business portfolio? For now, there is nothing available to claim. So just click on next. Down below, you see next. Add people to this business portfolio. So if you have a social media manager managing your account for you, you can add the person's email here, an employee, to be able to manage this account. But if you don't have any of that, then scroll down and click on next. It will take you here, review and confirm your business portfolio. If the name is correct, if the email address is correct, then scroll down and click on this confirm button down below. And with that, your business portfolio has been created. Now, let us go and create the business ad account in that business portfolio we just created now. To do that, click on this drop down button right here. This is the business portfolio we just created. Remember the name, PDF Business. So come to this right hand side. You will see the name of the business portfolio here. There is settings icon right here. Click on settings. The page will open up like this. Come to this left hand side. You see users here, people, then accounts. Under accounts, you will see add accounts. Click on add accounts. Here you will see that the business portfolio is new and it doesn't have any ad accounts. You can click on this add button here, or there is another add button down below. Just click on add. It will open like this. Add an ad account, create a new ad account, add an existing ad account, request access to an ad account in another business portfolio. In this case, we want to create a new ad account. So click on create a new ad account, give it a name. I will still call it PDF Business because I'm using it to sell information products. Then set your time zone. You can look at the particular time zone you have in your location. In my own case, I'm in West Africa, so I'm going to set it to GMT+1, Lagos time zone. Select your time zone, then set your currency. What do you want to be paying? Are you paying in Naira? Are you paying in US dollars? Are you paying in pounds? Are you paying in cedis? Whatever currency you're paying, just select it. I'm paying in Naira, so I'll select Nigerian Naira here. Scroll down, you will see the next button down below. Click on next. Now, the next stage is to select who will use this ad account, and I'm using it for my business. So select my business here. Scroll down, click on next. Now, confirm the ad account you want to create. Check if the name aligns. Then you are going to see I agree to Meta commercial terms and advertising policies. Check this box, then click on this create ad account button down below. You can see ad account created successfully. Would you like to add payment information for your account? I don't want to add that yet, so I'll just come down below and click on done. This is your ad account information. You can see everything right here. If there is no people assigned to your ad account, click on this assign people here. Then assign yourself. You see your Facebook account name here. Select it to assign it. Scroll down here. Ensure that you select this full control so that this user can have full control to this account. Then scroll down, you see assign button. Click on assign. You see that one person was added to this business portfolio. Click on done. And with that, you have assigned user to this business portfolio. The next thing is to add your Facebook page to the business portfolio. So right here at the left hand side under accounts, you will see pages here. Click on pages. You will see that there is no page added here. There is an add button here and there's another add button down below. Click on add. Then you will see add an existing Facebook page. Click on it. There is a search button here. Click on it and enter the Facebook page name you want to add to it. In this case, I want to add this particular Facebook page. So I'll select it, smartblueprint.co. When you select it, it will appear here like this. Scroll down, you will see next button down below. Click on next. You will see the person with the permission to manage that page here. Then click on the next button down below. Now you need to review and send requests. This is a business portfolio linking to this particular page. Next, you need to agree to Meta commercial terms and pages. To do that, check this box. Then you will see this add page button down below. Click on add page. Now they will need to verify by sending a code to the email you provided. So go to that email and check the code right now. This is the code that they sent to me. I will input it right now. After inputting the code, click on this continue button down below. After adding the Facebook page like this, hover your mouse on this left hand side. You will see Ads Manager. Click on Ads Manager. Then click on Account Overview. To complete your ad account setup, you need to do some verification, starting with adding your payment method. So click on Add Payment Method. Select the location. If you're in Nigeria, click on this drop down button here and select Nigeria. You will see Nigeria right here. If you are not in Nigeria and you're in the United Kingdom or United States of America, South Africa, Kenya, wherever you are, just select it, okay? Then under currency, click on the drop down button here and select your country currency here, okay? Then for time zone, you need to set your time zone. Click on this drop down button and select your time zone here. Just search for your time zone and select it, okay? After that, click on the next button down below. Now select your payment method. You can pay with card, or if you're in Nigeria, just select pay by bank transfer. Then click on the next button. You can just leave this amount here. We are not funding now. We just want to set the ad account. Click on next. And with that, your payment method has been set. Next thing is to confirm your Facebook page. That Facebook page you added will be shown here like this. Go ahead and click on this confirm button to confirm your Facebook page. You can see that confirm Facebook page has been checked. Then the next thing is to verify your phone number. Click on add phone number here. Select your country code. After selecting your country code, add the phone number here. Then select your preferred language and click on next. Select the method you want to receive confirmation. You can use text message or you use WhatsApp. WhatsApp comes faster, so I will select WhatsApp and click on this next button down below. It will take you here. Click on send text. Go to your WhatsApp or SMS and type the code sent to you by Facebook. After that, click on this submit button down below. You can see this phone number has been added to your ad account. Click on done. Right here, you will see that all confirmation has been done. Phone number has been, payment method has been added, you have confirmed your Facebook page, email address has been verified, phone number has been verified. So with that, you can go ahead to run your ad. If you come to this create button here and click on create, you see that you can select your campaign objective and you proceed with creating your first ad. I have done step-by-step detailed videos on how to run Facebook ads that convert. If you're interested, comment Facebook ads for beginners and I will send you the video link.